How to use split screen on your Redmi Note 7. Watch YouTube and chat at the same time. Let's go. First, open any app you want to split, like YouTube or Chrome. Now, tap the Recent Apps button, the square icon at the bottom. Long press the app icon at the top of the card. Then tap Split Screen. Now, select your second app from the list below, like Messages or WhatsApp. Boom! Now you are multitasking like a pro. Want to exit? Just drag the middle bar all the way up or down and you are back to one screen. Split screen is super useful for the notes, chats, or just being awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.